where the heart can feel warm, but you kept moving onward toward the light. And in the end it was finally not your night. Then across the oceans, two wandering hearts met, two souls that had walked through sorrow and regret. Yet somehow the light had never grown dim, for love was still waiting just beyond the rim. Now the roads behind us help shape who we are. Every trial and blessing, each visible scar, and all of those moments now finally reveal the miracle waiting for two hearts to heal. As we stand in the sunrise of our love, we stand together blessed by spirits from above. And now we know the truth of what great love can be, the reward of two hearts finally set free. And when the years keep turning like pages of a book, we will still remember the road that love took. Two lives once separate, now joined in the sun. Two wandering hearts, now forever one. This is our time now, my dear heart. This is our time for a brand new start. We are now two souls forged by God's fire, standing together in passionate desire. This is our time now, forever to be true. It is our time now to choose what we will do. Not the burdens of life's many paths and roads. It is our time now for us to love and grow. Our time to